And we're back after a much needed lunch break. Now I can sit here in the old seat and figure out how I'm gonna put this thing together, right? Yeah, right. Right. I've only seen people do this on the Webernet. This is my first time. Holes line up. Yes, they do. They've got washers with it. And I would say that's probably the safe way to go and use those washers. Right, too. And I should probably sit on the ground. I'm gonna assume a washer on top and a washer underneath, right? Okay. Uno. Dos. Oh. Gotta be a bit of a contortion artist. There we go. They are locking nuts. Or locking, yeah, they're locking nuts. Some nylocks. As soon as I get the buddy to start. Come on, Bubba. Getting there. I'm gonna have to hold it like so. It's a lot easier when you can see the things. Front was a little harder. The back, much easier. And that's gonna take 2 tools to tighten them down. 16, yes. And maybe a 17 on the bottom. Yep, 17 on the bottom. This guy on top. And I think I need to go find a ratchet. Because that's going to take 100 years. 17 on the ratchet. Alright. There was a young girl, I knew it out of space. She had a smile on a scarlet face. There we go. Now, Miss Supplegate, does she swivel? Yes, it does. Oh, I wish I could have done that. It would have made life a lot easier. But without this thing bolted down, it did not want to swivel. I tried. Cool. It will probably make life easier to have this way when I put the seat on. But first I gotta run the wires. Back to the seat, you go. Yeah. Yep, now I get to hook all that back up. So for now, good. There was a young girl I knew in outer space. She had a smile on a scarlet face. Now Miss Supplegate, catch me card, might have a very big spaceship. But mine's a lot bigger. Moment of truth. Now I gotta feed the wire back through that. Back the way you came. Up under there. Turn this heavy seat. This would be nice if I had 2 people. Yeah, buddy. Get in the holes. I'm going to swivel a little bit. Gonna lift this up. And we swivel a little more. That's going to expose these right here and make it a lot easier to work on. And it'll make sure the seat's all the way up. Yeah, alright. Alright, the reason this thing does have to be lifted as high as it is because of this. It's got to clear this. And the seat actually ends up in this little nook right here. That little kink in the wall. Alright, I'm going to put on the rest of the hardware. You know, we'll have to swivel it a little bit more. So a little more forward. There we go. More swivelage. Yes. And that's how you do that. Get everything right into place and into position. Good to go. The swiveler's already in action, man. Oh no. Alright, you people are starting to be in my way. Boy, talk about being in action. I know how to do the other one. I'll have to go back up front. Alright, to get to that one, we're going to just swivel the seat farther around to hopefully, looks like this position. Right about there, maybe. There we go. Now it's in position. Kind of like so. Alright. If worst comes to worst, I can always shorten the base. I'll have to take it into the shop to do that. Well, it's all in. It's together. Swiveling it's a bit of a bother. I'm going to swivel it and you'll see what's happening right here. Or I'll swivel it so I can see what's happening over there. How about that? Alright, time to swivel. All the way forward. Grab the swivel ring. And she just gets under the thing. But she hangs up right on this piece. And that, yep. Here, there it goes. Oh, nice. Yeah, that can lean back pretty good. Oh, that's kind of cozy. I like this. It could be a little cooler out. All right, swivel it. Do that. And this needs to go all the way forward. That means you got to get out. Lock forward. Grab the ring. And you can actually swivel both ways. And here's the crunchy of that. So it's only about an inch that needs to come off of that plastic piece. But yeah, there you go. Yep. I'll fix that after I take a break. So I'll make a mark at 1/2 inch. Kind of like so. It's not hitting here. Yeah. So we're going to take off that much. Looks like it's pretty much going to make it sit flat and be at the same height as this. It's a little hard to do it because it is kind of at an angle. About that. A little off here. Just kind of. So I gotta clean it up a little bit more. Start with the 60 grit. Like that. And we'll do a 120. 120, right? Kind of. Voila! It's like nothing ever even happened. Isn't that nice? Alright. Even on the inside, nice and smooth. That'll work. Time to put it on and see how it works. Well, that's it, folks. I think I finally got it. The swivel seat is officially done. Look at that. Does not hit. Right on. It's about flipping time. So, now you know what to do with these. And you almost don't even notice that anything even happened to it. Cool. Well, I'm going to wrap this up and call it a day. I'm put away my tools. And then I'm going to have a beer. Because that much work deserves beer. Oh, we're back. I'm in a red shirt. Means I'm doing the swivel seat. Alright, now I'm just going to sit here. Alright, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's how I installed my swivel seat. I don't know if I have any other comments about it other than that. I hope it was insightful. Hope you got something out of it. Hopefully you watched both of them. But even if you watched the final one, which is probably one of the most important ones, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time. Oh, next time we'll be cutting and dyeing some foam. So I hope you guys join me there. So until then, later, y'all.